In this video, we're going to showcase the command line. There might be a few of you who are still not using or leveraging this tool, and so that's the purpose of this video. If you head down to the bottom of the TBC interface, down at the bottom here, you'll have a small icon that's black with a little arrow in it. When you tap on that, it opens up a dialog box. This is your command line. And here's where you can actually type in your codes. So if you're from a CAD background, there's certain codes that would naturally be more used than others, such as creating a point, creating a line. And so the shortcut code for a line would just simply be L. And then you'd start seeing associated elements with the L command in it. So line is one example of that. So if I tap anywhere on my plan view, then it automatically snaps that northern and eastings, but it will ask you for an elevation. You can just simply say no elevation, and you can simply also accept what was previously there. I'm going to tap on another point, and because it actually has 100 already in there, I can simply go ahead and tap on U for undefined, and that basically allows me to start with an elevation and without an elevation. So at this point I can hit the escape button and I'm done with my command for creating a line. What if I want to move? Well, because the icon or the cursor is blinking in the command box, I can simply type out a code that would indicate movement of an object. So M, and you can see the first option there is move. So I can tap on my line and move it anywhere around in that space. What if I want to, let's say, trim? Okay, or break. Well, B, BR. BR is the correct code, but I can just simply tap the enter button at this point because it's already the first one in the list, and I can break my line. What about point? Well, P usually denotes point, and you can see it's the first in the list, so I can tap enter. The name is already prefixed at starting at 2. I could change that name. Code I could put in. And I'm going to just simply tap on that vertex or that snap object, and it's going to use the northing and eastings. Now at this point I can choose to give it an elevation. I'll just accept what was there as 100, and now my point is created. So that is how to actually utilize the command line. Now there are many more commands that exist. To quickly find a reference of all the command line instructions that are available, tap on the help icon in the top of the screen and type in quick ref, or I think that's enough actually, quick reference guide, and I think that that's the first one there, command line. And here's all the options that are available to you. Now you can also go online and grab the PDF if you can find it, but also on our CAD Learn website, you can head to the cadlearn.ca website, go to the support section, type in TBC CAD Command Line Guide, and you'll get the link to download that PDF document. All right, hopefully this is a good explanation as to how to use the command line and where you can find the help on that. See you in the next one.